Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Seb. You join me here today with a new car. That's right, the S2000 is in the shop getting repaired. So in the meantime, I bought something special. If you've already guessed it, it is a Honda CRX Del Sol. This is the 1.6 liter version in the single overhead cam version. It's actually not the SOHC VTEC as the badge says on the front bumper here, but it does have VTEC. Not many people know the original SOHC cams did actually come with VTEC. So this car does around 125 horsepower and 142 Newton meters of torque. So let's have a look at the car, guys. What do you guys think? It's got some beautiful, nice front bumper here. It looks like it's a Voltex racing style bumper off of an EK3 Civic. The Del Sol is actually based off of the Civic platform with a shorter wheelbase, and it actually looks really nice. So I really like that front bumper style there. The car's really in good shape for its age. Sorry for the scooter coming past. Yeah. This is the 1996 model, so for its age it's 25 years old. You can see Frey over there, say hello. Who wants to see Frey again in another driving video?
Hey.
Yeah, give us a comment below and a thumbs up if you want to see Frey driving again in the car. She had a little fun time in the S2000, experiencing VTEC for the first time. Beautiful, nice 17-inch rims. You can see here it's actually got real Brembo brake calipers on there. These are two-pot brake calipers from Brembo. 17-inch wheels, 205 40s, so pretty cool. And then the back drums have actually been replaced with disc brakes as well, also by Brembo. Very narrow disc brakes at the back here, but nonetheless, little Nismo center caps here. Beautiful, nice bumper. But here's where it gets funny. Look at the size of these exhausts. Oh my god. Sebring exhausts. These things are 2 inches. I can fit my whole fist in there. Look at the size of these things. Absolutely ridiculous. These exhausts have got to go. They look terrible. But you've got my name on it, Seb Ring. I like that part. Sebring exhaust. Nice bumper at the back here. No diffuser at the back there. You can just see the silencer box from there as well. Little red Honda accent badges over here with a nice spoiler. And if you look inside the boot here, that's actually where the roof goes. Pretty cool how the target top roof actually just comes back into the roof. This one's a manual roof, not the automatic, so you have to lift it up by hand and then take it off. But a pretty cool car, a lot of fun to drive. Front wheel drive engine, traversely mounted inline 4-cylinder, really great car. 5-speed manual gearbox, so not the automatic, that's the fun one. And a really cool interior. So I'll show you the rev cluster here. Oh, there we go. So VTEC starting around 5,500 RPM, going all the way up to a red line of 6,800 RPM. But you can take it up to 7,200 where the fuel cutoff is. The car's now got 223,000 kilometers, so quite a lot of mileage, but it's in good shape. The VTEC still runs well and no smoking, so pretty cool actually. I'll pop the hood so you guys can have a look inside. Give me a second here. There we go. Alright, so what does a 25-year-old engine bay look like? Well, there we go. Single overhead cam motor. This is also a VTEC motor, so not the double overhead cam VTEC motor that came out in the US only in the B16 motors. This is a D16 engine, so D series 16Y8. You can see there, this is actually the 1883 chassis. So this car is pretty much one of the earlier ones from 1996. They stopped production of these cars in 98. I think they only made in total around 72,000 cars from 93 all the way up to 98. So not many of these cars around. They are quite scarce, and to find one in good running condition, pretty decent. Nice little cold air intake here with a cone filter, ultra racing strut brace here on top. So pretty much your cheap man's version of the S2000. That's right, I've got an S2000. I crashed it recently. It's getting some repairs done. We have to get that sorted out. It'll take a few months in the shop. So in the meantime, something fun to drive around, a little daily driver to get myself to the shop to work on the car. Let me know what you think. Give me a comment below. Have you ever had a Del Sol before? Have you driven one? Have you seen them around? This is based on the old CRX model, and now it's basically a bit of extinct collector's item. So a really fun car to have and to go out for weekend drives. The weather today is not looking so great. We're hoping to take a nice drive out today, see how the thing goes. Be sure to follow us along and see what we do with this new car for a new project build. Until next time, guys, thank you. Thanks for watching. Cheers.